Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle. I'm making this screencast to ensure that when you submit assignments through Google onto Canvas, your teachers will be able to access them. When you upload assignments from Google Drive, even if you've uploaded them correctly, if your share settings aren't updated, your teachers will not be able to see them. So what you need to do is you need to make sure to go to the assignment, whether it's a doc, a slide, or whatever. You need to click the share button. It will be a different color depending on what it is. For Google Docs, it's blue. So you click the share button and you can see that mine is restricted. That means that only people that I email this link to can open this document. But you're not adding your teacher up here to email it to them. You're submitting it through Drive. So what you need to do is you need to change the link. So it gives me the option to change to Long Beach Unified. So I'm going to click that. But unfortunately, sometimes this maybe doesn't work or someone's logged in through a different email account. So I suggest, just to make your life easier, to switch one more step. So you click this little down arrow and you switch it to anyone with the link can view. This way, anybody who you send this to, no matter how they're logged in, can view the document. So go ahead and click done. And I'm going to show you how to do this on a slide as well. It's the exact same thing. It's the share button. It's yellow now because I'm on Google Slides. You can see I already have mine set to anyone on the internet with this link can view. But if I wanted to change it, I could go here, go to the drop down arrow, and make it restricted or just for Long Beach. But I want to keep it on anyone with the link. Done. If you need to double check, you can go back to your document, click the share button, and make sure it says anyone on the internet with this link can view. And that way your teachers will be able to see everything that you submit. Hope that helps. Have a great day.